Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is a pineapple bourbon lemonade. I know that's a lot of flavors, but stick with me. This will be a really good drink to like make a big batch of to take to the beach or picnics or whatever it is you want to do during the summertime, because this is a summer drink. This is a relaxing summer drink. If you don't want to drink old fashions or whatever, but you are a bourbon connoisseur, this is a bourbon drink for you. All right. First thing first, we're going to go with 2 ounces of whatever bourbon you prefer. We're going to go with this Fiddler's, because I like it a lot. It has a little sweetness to it. Just 2 ounces of bourbon. We're going to go 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. For a little sweetness, we're going to just add, because this is a lemonade, right? A half an ounce of simple syrup. And we're going to do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Give us a quick little stir. Add some ice. We're just trying to chill it and mix it. That's all we're doing. You can put it in a shaker cup if you want also. I just like the stir glasses. So, last, we're going to strain it into a glass of ice. I'm just using a regular rocks glass. All right, so there you have it, a pineapple bourbon lemonade. The bourbon's in the back. The pineapple, the lemon is pronounced, because I mean, it was 2 full ounces of lemon juice. But this is a really good drink. It's a good lemonade with a little alcohol in it. All right, anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.